Hi, this is John with Land Direct USA. Today we are looking at a 0.37 acre lot on Quail Creek in Flint, Texas. This lot is super close to the Lake Palestine. It is just south of Tyler, Texas and Dallas, Texas. It's located in a nice neighborhood, super close to the water. There's tons to do on this lake, boating, fishing, water sports, all that's done on this lake. We'll take a closer look at the property using the full screen view on our MapRight software located at the bottom of all of our web pages. Give it a second to load, then click Go to Map. Here you have it's an interesting shaped lot just off of Quail Creek. This road runs this way, so you'll be having access from here. You got really nice development in this neighborhood. There are power poles available nearby. You're right on the lake. As you zoom out, you see your location on the lake specifically. You're going to be on that east bank, and you see also your proximity to Tyler, Texas. Just to the north, there's also Dallas. So again, tons to do on this lake. It's massive. There's tons of parks in this area, and it's just a beautiful area. So if you're interested in this property, it's available at landdirectusa.com at a cash discount price of $12,500. We also offer seller financing with no credit check required. If you're interested, please visit our website and fill out a buyer's application, or you can call us at 928-515-3515.